Hello students, in our today's video we will see what is if unless and how to use if unless. You can see on the screen if and unless both are conjunctions. Conjunctions means they are used to join two sentences. Unless means if not. So here unless and if not, these both are same. This is why we can use them interchangeably to join the sentences. Both unless and if not are used to make conditional clauses. Conditional clauses which show the conditions. We have seen that adverb clauses of condition show the condition. So always we use if not or unless to form adverb clauses of condition. How to use unless? Using unless. Unless is a word which is basically having negative meaning. So let us see in one sentence how to use unless. See this sentence, you will not get the stuff if you do not pay bill. This is one sentence in which two conditions are there. You will not get the stuff. This is first condition. If you do not pay the bill, another condition. But if this one condition, if you do not pay the bill, this is wrong, another will also become wrong. Or you can say, if this condition is not fulfilled, this getting stuff, this condition will also not be fulfilled. So this is why to show such two conditions we have used here if not. But if you want to use unless in such a sentence, you have to remove this if and not and just you have to use unless. Unless you pay bill. Unless you pay bill. You will not get the stuff unless you pay bill. And this sentence is exactly similar to the previous sentence. Just what was the difference? You had used if plus do not. If the given sentence is of indefinite tense, that is simple present tense or simple past tense, in such sentences we require did or do or does to form conditional clauses with if. Let us see using if not. If a sentence is given to you, unless you work hard, comma, you will not succeed. So here also two conditions are there. The clause of unless is showing the first condition. If the first condition is wrong, means if you do not work hard, you will not become successful. So in such sentences, if you want to use if not, you have to remove unless. If you do not work hard, comma, you will not succeed. See, both these sentences have the same meaning, just we have replaced unless with if not. Here we have removed unless and we have used if not. And the sentence is in simple present tense. You can identify from the main verb. This sentence is simple present tense. This is why we have used do. Subject is you here. This is why we have used do, not does. This is how we can use if, not and unless. So which changes we have to make while using if not? in the sentence of unless? Let us see first. In today's session, we just learn how to use if not in the sentence of unless. In the next video, I will show you how to use unless in the sentence of if not. So answer for this: unless humans become careful about their greed, pollution over earth cannot be curbed. And one more important thing is that unless and if not, these conjunctions form adverb clauses of condition. So in the clause in which unless or if not comes, these clauses are the subordinate clauses. If subordinate clause comes first, we have to take comma after it. And if the subordinate clause comes afterwards and main clause comes first, we don't need to take comma between them because the conjunction itself acts as the joining part. Let us see the change of this sentence. Unless humans become careful about their greed, if humans, see the given sentence is in simple present tense. If humans do not become careful about their greed, comma you have to use as it is. Pollution over earth cannot be curbed. If humans do not become careful about their greed, pollution over earth cannot be curbed. So both these sentences have the same meaning, just conjunctions are different. So if you are removing unless, you have to use if not. Both the things you have to use. Let us see next example. Unless he is fit for the competition. Unless he is fit for the competition, they will not allow him the entry. See, what is the difference in this sentence is, this is static sentence. Here action is not there, but the state of being is there. State of being fit. This is why is acting as main verb here. And here we don't need do, does or did. The sentence is given in simple present itself, but is verb is given here. This is why the same verb we have to use in the sentence of if not. If not, if he is not fit for the competition, they will not allow him the entry. If he is not fit for the competition, they will not allow him the entry. Come on the next sentence. Unless you try, you will never know. If you do not try. If you do not, we have used because the given sentence is in simple present tense. If you do not try, you will never know. Come on the next example. Unless he reaches on time, he would miss the chance. Answer for this: if he does not reach on time, he would miss the chance. Second clause we have to keep as it is. If he does not reach on time, he would miss the chance. Come on the fifth example. Unless you read book, you would not get knowledge. Answer: if you do not read book, you would not get knowledge. So here I have shown you 5 examples in which we have used if not instead of unless. Unless is exactly similar to if not. Little change of the helping verb you have to make, and you have to use if not in the sentence of unless. On that basis, I am giving you exercise. Pause the video, copy the sentences and write into your notebooks. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on my personal number. In our next video, we will see how to use unless in the sentence of if not. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you very much.